No one cares about your school grades. Instead, your past work acts as your qualifications, so it's really important to build a great portfolio to seal the deal with your clients.
Absolutely. In today's fast-evolving landscape, your academic grades have taken a back seat in pursuing financial success. Welcome back to Cash Baggy. Today, let's uncover the key to unlocking daily earnings of $1,000, crafting an outstanding portfolio. Join me to explore how your portfolio can be your ultimate tool for financial success in 2023 and beyond. CNBC states, side hustles remain a popular way to earn extra cash. Nearly 2/5 of Americans, 39%, have a side hustle, according to an April 2023 Bankrate survey of 2,505 U.S. adults. On average, they bring in $810 monthly from their gigs. Side hustles are booming, with 39% of Americans now involved, adding an average of $810 monthly to their incomes, according to a recent Bankrate survey. If you're seeking extra income and unsure where to start, don't worry. Countless opportunities await. Many of these only require a computer and an internet connection. Ready to boost your income? Let's explore the side hustles on my list. Here are the 7 untapped side hustles that can make you $1,000 per day in 2023. Number 1. Amazon Retail Arbitrage. Let's kick off the first side hustle on my list by tapping into a world of opportunity. Did you know that Amazon.com generates $1.3 billion in sales daily? The exciting part is that you can claim a share of that pie without launching your own business. How? Embrace the savvy strategy of Amazon Retail Arbitrage. With Amazon Retail Arbitrage, you're not just entering the e-commerce world, you're entering a realm where your time and effort translate into profit. Imagine reselling products from major retailers like Walmart and Costco directly on Amazon, yielding rapid returns, all without the hassle of shipping logistics. Getting started is a breeze. Create your Amazon seller account and grab their mobile app, your trusty companion for this adventure. Armed with the app, venture into retail giants like Target, Dollar General, Marshalls, Ross, and more. Your mission: scan product barcodes to unveil their Amazon prices. Calculate potential profits based on in-store costs. If it looks promising and Amazon's in demand, seize a few units or the entire stash. Ship them to Amazon, list them, and watch your profits soar. But it gets even better. Boost your Amazon prowess with wholesale accounts from renowned big brand retailers. It's a challenge, but the earning potential is astonishing. Consider Kenzo, a 21-year-old raking over $1 million monthly by selling big brand items. If you yearn for extraordinary income and nearby retail stores beckon, Amazon Arbitrage is your golden ticket to success. While Amazon is incredible, this hands-on approach could be your golden opportunity. Number 2. Theme page flipping. Let's explore the second side hustle, where your potential takes center stage. We're diving into theme page flipping, and the opportunities are astounding. Theme pages revolve around specific interests, and the beauty lies in the fact that you can turn this into a profitable venture. It's incredible to think that in the past, making money often meant dealing with physical products. But today the game has evolved, and it's all online, a perfect fit for our modern world. When did you last scrolling through Instagram without encountering a sponsored post? They're everywhere. Brands invest significantly in Instagram advertising, making theme pages incredibly valuable. Start and nurture theme pages within specific niches. Visualize the potential as you post regular reels and witness your following grow. Begin with your hobbies. I know from experience that niche hobbies attract substantial interest from advertisers. Daily earnings for theme page flippers can vary widely based on niche, follower count, and engagement rate. Some experienced individuals have reported daily earnings ranging from $100 to $1,000 or more, making theme page flipping a potentially lucrative side hustle for those willing to invest time and effort into nurturing and selling theme pages. Number 3. Create digital products. Crafting digital treasures like Instagram templates, ebooks, or online courses is not just about the cash but the freedom. No stock worries, just endless possibilities. There's a small upfront cost for ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. But don't forget, there's an accessible route, too: affiliate marketing. It's a bit more challenging without a sales history, but it's doable. Now imagine this. If you were in the tech world, you could reach out to YouTube heavyweights like Unbox Therapy or Market Brownlee. You could say, "Join me on this journey, and let's share the rewards." Not everyone will say yes, but you'll find the right partners by reaching out to many. This is your chance to create something unique and unlock your potential. So get started and make those digital dreams a reality. You've got what it takes to earn $1,000 a day. Number 4, online tutoring. Times have changed, and so has the tutoring game. Don't miss this opportunity. If you excel in a subject, you can teach it online. Before the age of COVID-19, in-person tutoring was the norm. The key to success in online tutoring is selling transformation, not just tutoring. Offer specific outcomes like acing standardized tests. Facebook is your ideal platform for advertising, especially in parent-focused groups. Online tutoring eliminates travel time, allowing you to work with more students worldwide. Imagine selling 10 spots in a group class for $25 each. That's $250 per hour. As your reputation grows, expand your hours and earnings. Don't worry about group classes. If you deliver the promised outcomes, students will appreciate the support. For high-stake outcomes like medical school entry, charge more. Your potential value justifies the price. Seize the opportunity to become an online tutor and unlock your $1,000 a day earning potential. Your journey to success starts here, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Number 5, dropshipping. Next, here's an opportunity you can start with significant growth potential: dropshipping. It's a journey I want to guide you through, as it can be truly life-changing. Imagine launching your first dropshipping store with minimal investment while managing your daily commitments. Within a year, you could be generating substantial sales. By 2023, your earnings might have exceeded your wildest dreams. To excel in dropshipping, focus on mastering 3 crucial skills: product research, website design, and advertising. If you're new to this, don't be discouraged. Remember, turning this side hustle into a full-fledged, life-altering business only takes one successful product. Let's explore this exciting journey together, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Number 6, web design. In the world of side hustles, a strong online presence is essential, and web design is your golden ticket to success. His internet has unleashed countless opportunities, making it a land of vast potential. Yet many lack the skills to create compelling websites, and that's where you come in. Imagine honing your web design skills and entering a domain with an advantage over older business owners needing a solution. Here's the beauty: you have 2 paths to choose from. Like savvy teenagers, one involves user-friendly website builders like Squarespace, enabling you to create basic websites quickly. Alternatively, you can craft bespoke websites from scratch for high-end clients seeking uniqueness. While it demands time to master, the rewards are substantial. Custom websites command payments ranging from $10,000 to $100,000, a goldmine you can tap into. So if this intrigues you, dive into web design. Number 7, logo design. The final side hustle on my list is logo design. Have you ever considered a famous logo and thought, "I could create something like that"? I've had that exact thought, and I assure you that you can too, regardless of your age or experience level. Forget stressing over your academic grades. Let your previous work speak for itself. To kickstart your journey, concentrate on building an impressive portfolio, even if it means initially offering your services for free. It's a clever way to evaluate the competition and set pricing standards. Once your portfolio shines, you can approach clients directly or showcase your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. With unwavering dedication, there's no reason why you can't consistently earn $1,000 per day. Transform your passion for logo design into a daily $1,000 income. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and always remember that the path to earning $1,000 a day in 2023 is within your grasp. These untapped side hustles I've shared today are your ticket to financial freedom. Embrace the opportunities, hone your skills, and dare to dream big. Whether creating, teaching, or designing, your dedication and determination can unlock a world of possibilities. Your journey starts now, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. So go out there, seize these opportunities, and let your success story unfold. Here's to your incredible journey ahead.